How to create TikTok videos from photos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to create TikTok videos from photos. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the TikTok app on your mobile device and then tap on the plus button in the bottom of the screen. Once you're here, at the bottom right hand corner, ensure that you select templates. Next, swipe across until you get to the template that you'd like to use, and then tap on upload photos. Next, choose the photos that you'd like to upload, then tap on OK, and there you've just made a TikTok video out of photos. Tap on next and then share this post in the usual way. And that's all it takes to create TikTok video from photos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.